How can you create your own Discord server? Part 1. The basics. The first thing to do is search for Discord in your search bar. Then, click on the first link. There, you'll click on Login. You can log in, but I assume you don't have an account yet, so let's create one. After creating it, you'll be asked to confirm your email address, and you should have received an email. After creating your account, you'll have a page that looks like this. Click on the cross and select Create My Own. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the name you want to give your server. After confirming, you'll have a screen similar to mine. Here, you can directly create a new channel. But first, we'll click on our server name. Here, click on Create Category, where you can enter any name you want, and even add channels to it if you wish, just like I'm doing here. To delete it, right-click, scroll to the bottom, and confirm. Now that you've seen this, I'm going to create another one because we'll need it for our next tutorials. You can practice by creating different categories and channels in an organized way. In the second part, I'll show you how to add generative AI for images like Midjourney and how to set up ChatGPT on your server.